You can import PDF files into a model and place them in 2D views to trace or to use as a reference. In this case, we'll select one page of a PDF file and place it in the view to help create the first level of a building. Click Insert PDF and select the PDF file to place in the model. When you import the PDF file, you can use the horizontal scale and vertical scale to resize it. If you need to know the exact scale, enable snapping and use the measure tool. After the PDF file has been placed in the view, you can manipulate it in the same way as a raster image. You can trace over the PDF, or if the PDF file has vector data, you can snap to the corners or use the pick lines or pick tools to aid placement. You can place more pages from the same PDF file in the view. Click Insert PDF and select a page to place in the view and click OK. Use imported PDF files as a reference to make it easier to build your model.